In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Smartsheet form. If you're new to Smartsheet or just looking to streamline your project management tasks, learning to create forms can be a game changer in gathering and organizing data effortlessly. So, let's dive in and walk through the process together. First, to create a new form, you'll want to navigate to your Smartsheet interface. As you open up the application, you'll notice a few options to get started with your projects. On the left-hand side of your screen, there's a navigation pane, and here you should see a recognizable plus sign icon. This icon is very intuitive for creating something new within Smartsheet. Alternatively, if you're on the home screen, you'll come across a button that says Start a New Project. Both these options are your entry points to kickstart the form creation process. Once you've clicked to create something new, you'll be presented with several choices. Here, go ahead and select the option labeled Form. This action is pivotal as it will generate a new form for you, linked directly to its own underlying sheet. This linkage is particularly convenient because it means that as soon as someone fills out your form, the data automatically populates a corresponding sheet in Smartsheet. So not only are you creating a portal for data input, but you're also ensuring that this data is organized neatly and efficiently from the get-go. Now, let's take a moment to talk about some advantages of using Smartsheet forms. They offer a user-friendly way for teams to collect information consistently. When you send out a form, recipients don't need to have their own Smartsheet account in order to fill it out, which is particularly useful if you're reaching out to clients or stakeholders outside of your organization. Plus, the collected information populates directly into the Smartsheet, cutting down on the errors and manual data entry often associated with assimilating data from different sources. As you proceed with your Smartsheet form, you have the ability to tailor it to fit your specific needs. You can edit various elements, including the form layout, question types, and even add logic to direct the flow of questions based on previous responses. This customization ensures that you gather the most relevant information and improve the overall efficiency of your process. And there you have it. Creating a Smartsheet form is a straightforward and incredibly useful task to master. Whether you're collecting feedback, conducting a survey, or managing project inputs, these forms simplify data collection and ensure accuracy by seamlessly integrating into your Smartsheet workflows. Remember, as you become more comfortable with this feature, you can explore even more functionalities that Smartsheet offers to further enhance your project management experience. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to create a Smartsheet form. I hope this has been helpful in unlocking a new tool to elevate your organizational tasks. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on maximizing your productivity with Smartsheet. Happy form making!